Hello everyone and welcome to the Last Wiz Devlog and to the brand new Wiz prequel devlog. That's right, I started a new game. First of all, let me tell you the motivation for starting a new game. Wiz was progressing really fast. I was working a lot on the game and even though I was making a lot of progress, the game scope was simply too big for me to finish it in, being super optimistic, less than a year and a half or something like that. So, I played a couple of Metroidvanias on Steam and I figured out that there's no need to do a super production to make a great game. And I want to release a game, but I don't want to compromise my original idea. That's how the idea of releasing a prequel started. I set deadlines and constraints, and since I already have tons of systems made up for the original Wiz, I think I'm able to finish this game until the end of the year, and I'm aiming to release it on February 2022. I plan to release it for both Mac and Windows and Nintendo Switch as well. Switch's not confirmed yet, but as soon as I have something to tell you, I will. Anyways, this video was just to catch up with you guys because it's been a while since my last video, so thanks to everyone who subscribed and joined the Discord server. It's really great to see the community grow with a lot of amazing people. So, next weekend I'll post the first video showcasing everything I've done so far, and it's a lot of things, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, bye!